Hello everyone, my name is Dant. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting the updates of the latest videos when I upload them. Today I'm going to share with you top 3 amazing websites which are made for fun. So now let's check them in the PC. So now I am on my PC and let's start with the top 3 website, which is Google Gravity. So to access it, go to your favorite browser and search for Google Gravity. This website is just amazing. So suppose you want to smash and destroy Google because you got angry when it was just hanged up or lagging. So it will be the good choice for you. After searching Google Gravity on your browser, click on the first website that appears at the top, which is by Mr. Doob. And just check it out. It's just amazing. Here you can see I can just smash it. I can throw it. I can put it up, down, left, right. So it's just amazing. Next, we have our top 2 website, which is again associated with Google, but it's a bit different from the top 3. To access it on your web browser, search for Google Underwater. It is also amazing and it is developed by the Google itself. It has some animations. Let's check it out by clicking on the first website that appears at the top. And just look at it. It's just the mirror world of Google, you can say. Here when I hover on this Google, it just flips. Here I can just click on the wallpaper or say this background image. It will just pour up this water. Here you can see you can play with this. You can search like this. When you search or when you click on Google search, it will just develop one more fish and coins as well. And when I just get time, I used to just come on this website and play. Here it's just amazing and it's made for fun. The last but not least is our top 1 amazing website for fun. To access it on your browser, you have to search for Hacker Typer. So Hacker Typer, what is it and what does it do? So it is just mind-blowing. You can even search in your web browser directly hackertyper.net and you can come in this interface. So here it says become a real hacker. So for example, you do not know the skills of coding or hacking, but you want to show your friend that you know hacking. So for that, this website will be the best option for you for that. In this website, you just type your random these words or letters by pressing the random keys from your keyboard, and this website will generate the meaningful hacking codes of those keys or words. See here, it's just amazing. And the beautiful thing that when you press here alt here, when you press here alt, it says access granted. Here see here it says access granted. Here you have to press ctrl, means control plus alt, that will here execute access granted, and it's just amazing. I hope you have enjoyed this today's video, and if you have enjoyed, then give a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time.